Hello, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Olivier.
And we're from Enjoy Retirement Life.
So, what's happened today?
Well, today we've just had a delivery.
Yeah.
We're quite excited about that.
Very excited.
We thought we'd share it with you as we open it up. So we've been thinking about buying one of these for a while. This is the Ninja Foodi Max. It's a dual zone 9.5 litre air fryer. Now,
so why we have this one? Why we took the biggest one? Because we have a promotions. And we like promotions.
because we like to save money.
Yes.
So we thought we'd get the slightly bigger one while it was an offer. Because we do have our family visiting us. And it means we can cook for, hopefully, 5 or 6 people in here.
Yes, we can cook 2 chickens.
Yeah, apparently you put 2 chickens in it, so we're going to find out how big it is. So yes, we thought we'd go for that. Other reasons for buying it, we're both trying to lose a bit of weight.
So we should use less oils, which is good for our body.
Good for the waistline. So we're going to use less oil, which certainly does good. And also, obviously energy bills are rocketing. So as we think about relocating to France, we want to save money. Yes. And we just thought this is one way that's going to help us, because according to the box, it saves 75%, it's quick, 75% faster than the cooking in our fan oven over here. So we're definitely hoping we can see some reductions in our energy use. So we thought it was good. And it says 70, how much less fat is it? Can we see? Apparently 75% less fat we're going to use. So we're very interested to see if the taste of the food is going to be the same. We thought about buying a traditional deep fat fryer.
Yes.
But then we do need to think about our health, so we've decided this could be the best way forward.
So apparently it's doing plenty of things.
Yeah.
You can dehydrate, so you can cut your vegetable and...
Dehydrate.
Dehydrate?
Dehydrate.
Okay, sorry.
So if you well, it shows a picture of banana chips there, so you can put presumably fresh bananas in.
Yeah. And
it's going to dehydrate. I know my daughter really likes mango, so they're quite expensive in the supermarket. So buying a fresh mango and dehydrating it sounds like a good shout for me.
So you can reheat.
Reheat. You were talking about quiche earlier. We quite like a quiche. And you've got those leftovers, or you just want to heat it through.
It's time to use a big oven.
Do this in a few minutes. Baking. Interested to try that out.
Bread, is that?
Yeah, interested to try that out. Roast, so that will be good.
Air fry?
So of course, air frying chips, whether they're regular potatoes or sweet potatoes, that's going to be cool.
Max.
Crisp. So pizzas in here should be good. Crispy chicken. Looking forward to finding that out. So what's in the box?
Let's see what's inside.
It's always exciting to get something here.
Okay.
Now, luckily, we live in our new apartment now, so we don't have to go to the local dump with all our rubbish. So we can go down and put this in our recycling bins. We do like to recycle.
Hold on. We have an envelope. So
I guess it's going to be a guide, I hope.
Okay, warning. Safety. Warning. Very important.
Great. Safety.
Basically, you can't sue them. Quick start guide. So what's inside that?
Oh, how to get started.
Hold on, there is recipe as well.
Basic, some recipes. Fish
and
and
chips, lamb kebab, aubergine wedge, nice.
Cheesy baked potatoes.
Mushroom and cheese.
Arancini. Oh, I like an arancini. I might need to go to Italy.
We can try that. Fried pork, sweet
something
potato.
You like.
Calzone.
His favourite.
Okay, there is a book of recipes there and all instructions. Nice.
Brilliant. And then there's instructions. A little instruction booklet here. So this looks good. Let's pull it.
Let's remove that.
You can tell you just like the technical bits. Yes. I want to get in there. Just forget that. Let's just see the product.
No, I like to know.
Okay, you can figure out how it works. We're going to get out of the box now. So, it's quite well packed. Right.
Okay.
Shove that on the floor. I think you might have to lift it out and I'll remove the box, shall I? Okay. It's like unveiling something. I'm a queen. In your portrait.
Okay.
Oh, I have to lift it. Okay. So let's get this out of the way. Okay. Gosh, it's really wrapped well. So it comes nicely packaged, no chance of getting damaged, which is great.
Because that is quite thick, eh?
Yeah, nice sleeve bits in to protect it, to keep it nice, like that. And the top's got a nice protective plastic layer on it too.
Okay.
So yeah, this is, there we go. Oh, it comes off quite easily. Not like those annoying sticky labels when you have to put everything in the dishwasher to get it off. It's coming off quite easily.
Sticky.
That one's sticky. This one's okay. There we go. You lift it off. You need some nails just to lift it off. There we go. There we go. Oh, perfect. So, like all the other Ninja products, it's black with that silver trim. So if you have, smart, isn't it?
It's really smart.
We have got a food blender in the Ninja range,
Yes.
which we've been using for smoothies. So it'll go with all your other Ninja products. It's going to look really nice actually, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
It's very smart. So basically it comes with, obviously we've got the cord to plug it in. We've got 2 baskets. I can see they've got 1 and 2. Like that.
Oh no, just protections.
So do these come out in the base? Ah,
Yes.
so this must be for easy cleaning. This is sensible, so I'll just show you. Gosh, they're really well made as well.
Now that I think is to have the air going under
Yeah.
and going up.
But I think it's going to help you when you clean. You know,
as
I'll be doing the washing up.
Yes, and they said you can put in the dishwasher.
Oh, cool. Oh, okay. I like it even more now. Dishwasher's always good, dishwasher friendly. So there's 2 quite big baskets.
So you can't get wrong because there is number on it.
Number
so,
1.
Number 2.
Can you get number 2? Number 2, does it go? Oh, because they've got a curved edge, they only go in one way. So that's lovely. So they're quite big baskets.
It's very nice.
Because you can cook quite a lot of fries in there, and vegetables, chicken, and then we've got a neat little display panel here, which we will.
So you choose your mode here.
On off button here.
On off, the times, if you want the match or synchron.
And then you've got your max crisp, air fry, roast, dehydrate, reheat, bake. And then your timer.
Timer for the basket number 2.
Fabulous.
So apparently you have smart things. You can start 2 different recipes and they finish in the same time.
It's going to be perfect for well-timed dinner. Very nice. Everything's going to be ready at the same time, okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to prepare something. So should we get going?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's plug that.
Okay, so now for the exciting part. Should we have a go?
Yes. So what do you want to eat for lunch?
I really fancy a fish finger sandwich.
What is it?
Okay.
I'm French, sorry, I don't know.
He doesn't know. So we're going to try fish fingers in the air fryer, and we bought some part cook baguettes. So we have 4, they are jumbo fish fingers. So we're going to try. And we think it's about 15 minutes according to the booklet. We've got the little booklet, we've had a little look through. It's definitely air fried.
So
we're going to put them in the first basket. We're going to see, can't we?
yes, and then they're going to finish in center.
Because we're thinking these are frozen. It looks like they need more time, and these are part cooked. So we're going for a little less time on these. We'll see what happens.
So you select air fried there.
Perfect.
200?
Have you done sync?
No, not yet. 200 cc?
200, yep.
Time. How many you want?
15
15.
minutes. Okay.
15. Basket number 2.
Do we need to put them in?
Basket number 2 for the bread is
Same temperature?
still air fryer.
Yeah, 200 degrees, and we're going to go about 8 to 10 minutes. So the buttons are quite easy to
9 minutes.
push. It's easy to control it up or down just with a simple push of the button.
Synchronize.
We need to put something in.
Yes. So, very clean, very nice. Does that fit? Yes, it fits.
Let's hope so.
2.
3, 4. Well, let's try. Let's see what happens. Don't know if you don't try. And then the fish fingers, not going to be a problem with these. Plenty of space in there. We can show our viewers.
You can see it.
Perfect. Right,
Okay.
lovely. Let's see what happens.
That's number 1, and we push which button?
Start.
Where is start?
I think you press it in the middle.
In the middle.
Ah.
As you can see, fish finger, the time is longer, so it starts straight away. And the bread is still on oil for now. So this one is not working because you want to finish at the same time.
Now we did read, just reading through some of the safety issues, that apparently these baskets get very hot. So they've got the nice handles, but just a thought, if you have got grandchildren running around at home or small children, make sure they don't touch these because they are going to get hot in cooking, so keep them well out of the way of little children's hands. And also the baskets, when they come out, you need to protect your work surface. So we've just got a silicone mat here. Put them on that. Don't make a mistake, put them straight on your work surface because apparently they are very hot. The other cool thing we found out, it's not too noisy. I thought it'd be more noisy.
It's not noisy, and so far
Cool to the touch.
everything is cold.
Okay. The other thing we found out, if you want to check the cooking, because it may be, we've got to turn the fish fingers halfway through, so in about 7 minutes time. When you pull out the basket, it's really cool. It pauses, and it doesn't just pause it on one side, it pauses on both if you're cooking in both baskets. So that's really neat because it will.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pause.
You can have a look. Oh, it is quite warm. You can feel the heat. It's working.
It's working.
It's working. And it will automatically pause the second basket. So that's a really cool feature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like that, they always stay synchronous.
Yeah. So that's good because you can check that they might be done before, and then you can stop it if one basket is stopped. Is ready, you can actually stop that basket. Just I think you press the zone and then you press stop and it will stop cooking. Okay, well we'll come back to you in a moment when our lunch is ready.
Hi, we are back now just to show you when this second basket is going to put on
For our bread.
for the bread. So it should be in 12 seconds now. Like that, they're going to be synchronous together.
And it is warm to the touch this side. It is getting warmer, I can feel it. It's been about 6 minutes now.
Oh, there you go. Same.
And the other thing we need to do in a minute is turn those fish fingers over, because sometimes you have to shake the basket during cooking or turn things over.
Yeah.
They do recommend you use silicone. What's that called? Utensils. That's the word. To turn things over or give the basket a shape, but it does actually say to turn the fish fingers over, presumably for even cooking. So we'll have a go at that in a minute. Probably do that in a moment. So yeah, both are on now.
A little bit more noisy when both are, but it's still
But it's not too much.
It's still good.
Let's see if we can have a good lunch within
So,
15 minutes.
See you in 8 minutes.
For our fast food lunch. Okay, so we've just given them a little turn over here with a silicone utensil. I just want to show you, that's no oil, and I can tell you you can feel they're crisping up really nicely now.
They smell very nice.
They smell good. So we'll put them back in and let's see. Here you go, synchronised timing, off they both go again. So I'll come back in a minute to see if our lunch is ready. So we've just had a quick look and we've stopped the cooking time. I'm quite shocked because when we bought these part-baked baguettes before,
yes,
they cook
10-15 minutes in the oven.
Yeah, and how many minutes have they been in? We've stopped it a couple of minutes before, so that's 6 minutes.
Yeah.
And these are the results. Really crispy. Let's take them out. We need some silicone tongs. Really crispy. Now I think perhaps next time we need to give them a shake or turn them around. But you can hear how crispy they are. They are very hot. And you like your baguette crispy on the outside, don't you? Get the rest out. And then just cut this.
Good.
Just cut some of this out.
And those ones are
The fish fingers look great as well.
brilliant. Without oil.
No oil, really crispy, really sizzly. And we'll come back to you in a minute when we've assembled our fish finger sandwich. So, just assembling my sandwich. I like some mayonnaise on it with my fish finger. You can put what you like in it, but I like a good serving of mayonnaise. Squeeze it together. And I'm just going to show you, you can hear how crunchy that is. I've checked the fish fingers are cooked through. They're hot to the touch. Just putting it in, and there is my lunch. It was definitely quick and no oil. So I think that's pretty successful. crusty bread, crispy fish fingers.
So we just finished our first recipe.
Smells good.
It looks brilliant.
Smells good.
So if you want to follow us in our journey to France and our journey with a new air fryer, you don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and if you have any questions, put a comment on the link below.
Yeah.
And we're going to explore all what we can do with the air fryer. We can do vegetable, salmons, bake, chicken. Apparently we can go to chicken in that. We're going to try it.
Yeah, I just can't believe you get a chicken in there. So we're going to definitely try that out. So yeah, stay tuned with us for other successes in the
Or not successes.
the Ninja Foodi Max. If you're interested in trying one for yourself and having a go with us, we'll leave the details
below
in the link. And yeah, well,
but so far, it works.
Looks good. I can't believe that in a few minutes we got such good result.
Yeah.
Anyway, bon appetit.
Bye.
Bye.